Hello everyone.
In this session, I will discuss public relations. In public relation, I will discuss a concept of public relation, marketing and public relation, major decisions in public relation, major tools of public relation, and dealing with unfavorable public relation. Here I will go through some example of the unfavorable public relation and will discuss how to deal with the unfavorable public relation. This is basically the session outline or overview which we are going to discuss. So next we'll discuss the definition of the public relation. Now in public relation, Institute of Public Relations, UK, United Kingdom, defined public relation as the planned and sustained effort to establish and maintain goodwill and mutual understanding between an organization and its public. And its public means public of a firm are its employee, trade unions, stakeholders, customers. Customers may be past, present, and future customers, general public, media, government, etc. Public relations of a firm play an important role in influencing opinion of the public by reinforcing the favorable opinions, transforming neutral opinions of the public into positive opinions, changing or neutralizing negative opinions. And moreover, public can be internal, external, anybody. So simply public relation is a planned, sustained effort to establish and maintain goodwill between the organization and its public. Next we will discuss the role of public relation. Now in the role of public relation already I have highlighted, like here the public relation manager need to identify the relevant public. Who is the relevant public need to be addressed. Then influence the opinion of the public by reinforcing favorable opinion, creating favorable opinion and reinforcing the public opinion. Then transforming neutral opinion into positive opinion. Like earlier, lot of examples are there, like Maggie, what Maggie faced problem with the facet definition. Sorry, Maggie problem. Recently, we have seen. So Maggie is trying to neutralize the negative opinions and trying to come in the market. Then earlier, Resna have faced this problem. Then Pepsi also faced, Cadbury chocolate also faced. So due to these happenings, companies need to make favorable opinions. Company can change hostile opinions into positive opinions or highly positive opinions. So this is basically the role of the public relation. Then next we'll discuss the function of the marketing manager. Why it is necessary? Because if we discuss the function of the marketing manager, then we can segregate the function of the public relation manager. Like function of the public relation manager are different from the function of the marketing manager. So here this is the reason that first I will address the function of the marketing manager, then we'll come with the function of the public relation manager. Now the marketing manager handle the responsibility like developing firm detailed marketing strategy or detailed marketing activities, or we can say detailed marketing plan. Then defining demand for the product, estimating the demand of the product. Then determine trend of existing products. Then new product development, identification of the potential market, developing pricing strategy for the existing product, for upcoming products. Then advertising and promotion plans, etc. I said etc. So marketing manager handle like these responsibilities, and many more responsibilities are there, like diversification can be also a responsibility for the marketing manager. But these are some important function of the marketing manager, so that we can understand the what marketing manager basically deals with and how it is different from the responsibility of the public relation manager. Now we'll discuss the function of the public relation manager. Now in the public relation manager function, managers direct publicity programs. Managers are more involved in the publicity programs, then uses plan of the communication media, work in association with finance manager, industrial manager, etc., drafting speeches, arranging interviews, then public contracts, then creating logos, business cards, etc., handling special events. These are basically the some responsibilities of the public relation managers. Next, we will go through the major decision in the public relation. Major decision in public relation includes setting objectives of the company to build awareness of its products while maintaining minimum promotion cost, selecting the message and media vehicle to advertise the product and other information about the company, implementing the PR plan while maintaining a healthy relationship with the media. This is basically the major decision a PR manager need to perform. Now if we summarize this, we can summarize it in four broad categories: setting objectives, then selecting the message and media vehicle, then implementing the plan, and finally conducting evaluation that all things are going right in right direction or not, through monitoring media coverage, attendance and inquiries are coming or not, etc. Now like to start with the objective again, building awareness or creating awareness, then motivating sales force, cutting promotional cost if not required. These are maybe the objectives of the PR. Then selecting message and media vehicle, right media choice, which media need to be select for the public relation conference, press release, news release. Okay, then finally taking feedback, conducting evaluation. Next we will discuss the public relation technique. In public relation technique or tools, we'll discuss it from the 3 point of view: consumer communication, business communication and employee communication. First we'll discuss consumer communication. Now with respect to the consumer communication, a PR manager need to organize or participate in the exhibitions, then organizing or participating in the competitions, then sharing all happenings through companies' websites for the consumer. Then business communication, PR manager can conduct through websites, then company videos, mailing, trade press release, articles. Then employee communication. In employee communication, public relation manager can include in-house newsletter or e-magazines, internet and email, etc., like publishing a leaflet, brochures. Now this is business communication: websites, company videos, mailing, trade press release, articles. Then employee communication: in-house newsletters and e-magazines or magazines, internet and email, etc. Now next we'll discuss with the dealing with unfavorable PR. Now here one example is given, Bhopal gas tragedy. So we'll come back to that. Before that, The favorable public relation maintained by the company may get affected adversely when accident like Bhopal gas tragedy, controversial activities by the employees of the company, product or activities of the company that are not environmentally friendly, and other negative events or situations. Public relation of a company should be maintained favorably to sustain the goodwill of the public. Effects of unfavorable public relation can be reduced if organization take safety measures, effective quality control measures, inspection at plant level to avoid accident, etc. Public relation managers can also seek the help of media to reduce the impact of negative publicity to a firm. Now, to make it simple, like we have Bhopal gas tragedy example that have damaged the image of the company. Then product service safety concern to public, the negative events or situations, any kind of negative events or happenings, if it comes into the media or it's become public, then it damages the image of the company. So companies need to protect themselves regarding the unwanted happenings or something negative happenings, so that company's image are maintained. Here we are going through the slide like product and service safety concern to public. Here one example is given. The negative events or situation which already I have explained. Actually, the slide is pass out very slowly. That's why this happened. So negative events situation we have talked about. And finally, thank you. But before saying you bye, I will just summarize what we have discussed. We have discussed definition of the public relation, then marketing and public relation. In marketing and public relation, we have discussed function of the marketing manager, function handled by the public relation manager, then major decision in public relation, then major tools and techniques of public relation, then dealing with unfavorable PR. Thank you, everybody.